Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, should I be talking about Raijintek Cyclops Lite all-in-one liquid CPU cooler? So friends, this come in black and white colorings at the radiator size variant of 360 mm and 240 mm, and these are characterized by a pump block that feature a propeller-like ornament and that illuminated by ARGB LEDs, and you get 2 or 3 120 mm fans depending on the variant, and this comes with easy daisy chaining to minimize clutter. Cable around the radiator and the pump block feature a copper cold plate and the ceramic axis for the pump bearing, which is rated for 50,000 hours, and the radiator channel are made of aluminium. Each of the included Raijintek Ageras Xtreme 120 mm fans comes with hydraulic bearing and tech in a 4 PWM connection for its maintenance function. It turns at speed ranging from 800 rpm to 2200 rpm, pushing up to 67.38 CFM of airflow and 2.57 mm H2O static pressure and maximum noise output of 33 dBA. And the fan bearing is rated of 40,000 hours. And this proprietary daisy chaining connection of this fan combine 4-pin PWM and 3-pin ARGB connection. Among the CPU socket types supported are AM5, AM4, LG1851, LG1700, LG1200, and LG115X. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.